Hey guys, today we're going to talk to you about the brand new Emmo Oxe. Built this year, sports a full suspension, has big aggressive off-road tires. You have a full dash. Shows you your pedal assist mode, your running time, your speedometer, and there's your odometer with battery life. You have obviously the usual walking motor. Now this one got rid of the traditional thumb throttle and instead put a full twist throttle on. Now your speed is geared to your pedal assist. Higher the pedal assist, the faster the motor. This bike has a weight limit of 300 pounds and only weighs 105. So what are you waiting for? Come on in and get your new Emmo Oxe today.